Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts. Let's begin. We have here 8 Brussels sprouts. We're going to cut them in half. But first we're just cut off the stem and cut it in half. Just like that. We're just going to remove the outer leaves. There we go. Last one, we're just going to cut off the stem, cut in half, and remove the outer leaf. Just like that. We have here 3 tablespoons of butter, and we're using Kerrygold salted Irish butter. We're going to melt the 3 tablespoons of butter in the microwave, and we'll be back. Okay, we melted the butter in the microwave. It took around 40 seconds. We'll be adding 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. There you go, that's 1/4 teaspoon. We're just going to mix it all up. Looking good. Next, we're going to take the Brussels sprouts and put it into the butter. There we go. Next, we're just going to mix them all around in the butter. Make sure they're all covered in the garlic butter. Looking good. We're going to put the Brussels sprouts to the side. We have here 1 pack of bacon. And let's open it up. We're going to take the bacon strip and cut it in half, just like that. We're going to take the Brussels sprout onto the bacon and wrap it up, just like that. Then we're going to take a toothpick and poke it through. There's one. Okay, we wrapped all the Brussels sprouts with bacon. And we'll need some maple syrup. We're just going to pour some of the maple syrup into a bowl. Just like that. Next, we're going to take some of the maple syrup and brush it onto the bacon. There we go. We're going to flip it over and do the same thing. There we go, we flipped them all over. We're going to brush some maple syrup on the other side of the bacon. And we're set. This is what it looks like before we put it in. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer is fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts. Okay, we have all the Brussels sprouts in the air fryer. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees. For a total time of 14 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 7 minutes so far. Let's flip them over. Let's turn them over. Okay, we flipped them all over. And now let's put it back in for the last 7 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 14 minutes at 400 degrees. Take them out. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer, bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.